Good morning everyone. I am Mohammad Farhan Khan of class 7th B. Today I am going to tell you about wastewater story.
Presentation on wastewater. Wastewater story. What is wastewater? The water that has been used and is not fit for uses again is called wastewater. It is dirty water from the laundry, toilet sinks and drain. What do you mean by cleaning of water? It is a process in which the pollutants from the water are removed before it enters a water body or before it is used again. This process is called sewage treatment. Wastewater treatment plant. Wastewater includes biological, physical and chemical matter and hence involves biological, physical and chemical process of removal of the contaminants. Separation of large objects from the sewage water. The wastewater is first passed through the bar screws which remove big objects like plastic bottles, napkins, rags, cans and sticks. Separation of sand and dirt. The wastewater is then sent to a grit and sand removal tank. The speed of water is decreased at this step. This allows the sand, dirt and pebbles to settle down. Removal of solids. Now the water cycles in a tank called clarifier which is sloped in the center. This lets the solids like faces to settle at the bottom. This is called sludge. The sludge is then separated from the water with the help of a scraper. Substances like oil and grease are removed with the help of a skimmer as they float above the water. The sludge so obtained is passed into a tank where anaerobic bacteria can decompose it and produce biogas. The biogas is then used as a fuel. Suspended sludge removal. The clarified water also needs to be cleaned further. Hence it is moved to an aerator that pumps air into it. This allows aerobic bacteria to grow in water. The aerobic bacteria consume organic waste, soaps, food waste and other elements that remain in the clarified water. This water is allowed to settle for several hours and then these waste materials settle down in the tank. This is called activated sludge. The water is removed from top of the sludge with the help of a machines or sand drying beads. This sludge is dried and used as manure. Alternative arrangements for sewage disposal. As an alternative for sewage disposal, on-site sewage is being used nowadays. For example, septic tanks, compost pit toilets and chemical toilets. Number one, septic tank. A septic tank is often installed under the ground or houses or buildings such as hospitals. It allows decomposition of sewage from house through the action of anaerobic bacteria. Chemical toilets. A chemical toilet has a separate compartment that treats human waste with chemicals and decrease their smell. Composting toilets. A composting toilet treats human waste biologically. The aerobic bacteria are present in a storage tank that turn waste into compost. The on-site sewage treatment uses natural procedure to treat and dispose the wastewater or sewage. Many organizations have also installed on-site hygienic waste disposal technology in which human excreta directly flows into a biogas plant and is then used as an energy resource. Sanitation at public places. There are numerous places in our country like airport, railway station, etc. where a large number of people visits. This results in the generation of large amount of waste and if the waste is not treated properly, it can lead to several diseases and even an epidemic. Therefore, we should all become aware and contribute to maintaining sanitation not only in our homes but also at public places. If we can adopt certain practices, we can help in maintaining sanitation at public places. Don't throw garbage in public places. Use dustbins. Don't spit around in public places. Thanks for watching.